Hi. I have a magic trick for you. Magic.
Go.
Okay. Right. Look very carefully to this chair, okay? Like really carefully, okay? All right. One. Oh my god, come on. 2, 3.
Whoa.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Very well.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Oh, Russia.
Okay.
Красноярск.
Да, я знаю русский, да?
Окей, хорошо, круто, спасибо.
Да, спасибо.
Тупые сидим.
Как это было? Хорошо?
Да, очень. Это как? Мы ничего не поняли.
Спасибо большое. Очень приятно. Хорошо, вот не. Давай.
Спасибо. И тебе.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing good. Who are you talking to? Wait, is it daytime for you?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What time is it there?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
What time is
So
it?
we have 12 hours different. Where are you from?
South America.
Where exactly?
Peru.
Ah, Peru, okay.
Like Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu?
Machu Picchu.
What is that?
Do you?
Machu
It's
Picchu?
one of the beautiful. I don't know how to say. Beautiful, wonderful.
Wait,
Mar
you don't know how to say? Wait, South. What? Wait, you don't speak English? What language do you speak?
No, Spanish.
Ah, española. ¿Por qué hablamos en el inglés?
¿Tú hablas español?
Sí, yo hablo español también.
¿De dónde eres?
De Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Sí.
Indonesia.
En Indonesia nosotros no hablar en español, en indonesio, pero yo aprendo español.
¿Por qué?
Me gusta mucho.
¿De verdad?
Me gusta mucho. Español. Suena
Algo.
también. ¿Verdad? Especialmente españoles películas. ¿Sí? Money Heist. Money Heist.
Money.
Serial de Netflix.
¿Serial?
Sí.
De Netflix.
Españolas. Películas españolas.
Like, ¿cómo se llama esta? Ay, ¿cómo se llama?
No sé cómo se dice en español, pero en inglés, Money Heist. Sí. You look so depressed. What's up?
That's just my face.
Thankfully.
No, fine, I'm good.
Okay, cool.
Where are you from?
Indonesia. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah, okay. There it is. Have you ever met this guy?
Who's that?
This guy?
Wait, is that you?
No. My friends, they said I look like this guy, and
Y'all look like twins.
And an hour ago, I was like, oh, okay, let's go to OmeTv and try to find this guy, because my friend said this guy liked to, talk to strangers on OmeTv.
Oh, that's why you're here.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. So, what are we doing now?
I don't know. I ran out of things to say.
Do you have Instagram?
I do.
All right, let's be friends.
For some reason, my phone has gone on airplane mode and it's literally not coming back to normal. Like, I've been trying. But wait, give me your ID, I can try it if it works. Fiki Naki, is that your? Hey, that's cool. I think that's a cool thing. You look so salty. No, I'm not being fake. For real, that's a really good thing.
Thanks.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 21.
Oh.
Yeah. So are you, Alright, you were just lying.
What?
No, I'm still here.
I was like, you literally just said, why do people skip? And then you skipped. I was like, this bitch. Okay, you've got some tricks. You've got some moves. Okay, let's give you that. You've got some moves up your sleeve. Okay. So, I think, okay, you can skip, but after we're done talking with you, you have to say that, okay, it was nice talking to you, yada yada yada, and then you skip.
Yeah.
You don't just skip on my face like that.
I know, that's kind of rude.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Okay, now I don't know when it's real or fake. Stop.
Okay. Hey! How are you? Wait, my camera is dirty. Let me clean
Is
it.
this another joke?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? What? How did you do that?
I'm a magician. What can I say?
Oh wow. Okay. Wait, are you you? Okay, stop. Hello? Oh my god, okay, now I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Hey. What's up?
Is this real?
Yeah.
Wait, are you like, do you like do YouTuber stuff?
Yeah.
Where you like prank people and everything?
Oh yeah, that's what I do.
What?
That's what I do. Yeah.
And you beatbox?
Yeah. And I can do animal noises.
You're crazy.
I'm a weird. Yeah, I'm weird. I know.
Wait, oh, it's working. It's working. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. What?
Wait.
You're not for real, are you?
What do you mean?
What? Okay, first of all, there's no way in hell, but is this you?
Yeah, that's me. I mean, the question is he look like me? I don't know. You good?
The human who makes animal noises and beatboxes.
And sing will in a moment.
Oh, you sing?
I'm not really good at singing, but I can, play guitar and sing at the same time, Not sure.
I know, but that was beautiful.
Thanks.
What?
I mean, not beautiful in white, but beautiful in green.
Wait. Okay. First question.
Okay.
I am guessing are you a YouTuber? Do you do YouTube?
Yeah.
Is that what you do?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh, I don't want to swear. Am I being videotaped right now? Am I being recorded?
You're being You're being recorded for, I don't know, 15 minutes and, still going.
Am I going to be on your channel? Is that going to happen?
Yeah.
Oh my god, people are going to see me going absolutely nuts.
Wait,
God.
did you find my channel?
No, I didn't. How would I?
Okay, it's
There's no link on your bio.
and then it's pretty much the same. Fiki if you search it up on YouTube.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I don't want to believe that this is true, but no. Oh no. No. Wait, it's real. Oh, it's real. Oh, it's real.
Yeah, it's real.
I want to cry. I want to cry. I literally want to cry.
Okay,
I want to cry.
relax.
What is happening?
What is happening? It's okay. It's just a screen. Weird guy is talking to you. You know.
You're giving me a headache. You're literally giving me a headache.
Oh my god.
You're like.
I really love
it's
your
nice.
reaction. First reaction you love.
What do you mean?
No, you're like, oh my god, what is going on? No. Watch the video, okay? I mean, look at the comment section.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I will.
You're the best today. Yeah, cause I don't know, you're just like, I don't know, genuine, very friendly. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So,
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I wanna prank more people here.
Yeah.
by
Go
doing
ahead. Go
by
ahead.
doing
It was
this.
nice talking to you.
Yeah, by doing this, like, hey.
Shut up.
Yeah. Okay. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you, Thanos.
Bye bye. Yeah. Hey, thank you too. It was nice talking to you, right?
Yeah, you
Bye-bye.
too. You too. You're the best. Peace.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Gila, itu Tanhas bener-bener genuine tuh apa ya, bener-bener nggak neko-neko gitu loh maksudnya, pure, tulus gitulah, keren banget sih, wow.